Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be covering toners. If this is your first time here, my name is Karina. I'm the esthetician here at Bare Glow, and I have been an esthetician for the past 9 years. My goal is to really help you achieve your skincare goals and find the right products and services for you so that you could really target the skincare concerns that you have. The problem that I have with toners and with some cleansers is that most of the irritating ingredients and most of the problem ingredients a lot of the times are found in cleansers and toners. They're really stripping of the skin. They really throw your skin off of balance. They throw your pH level off. So, and as I covered in my previous video about cleansing, then I talk about how we want to start your cleansing routine in the right place so that we are moving in a good direction, where we could find that with a lot of toners or cleansers we are throwing the skin. This is supposed to be the beginning of our treatment, and it's throwing our skin out of whack, making our following steps not work as well as they should. So like I covered in that cleansing video, if you have oily skin, then you might need a little bit extra help. If you use a lot of makeup, or if you have a lot of dry skin, you might need a little bit extra help to remove that, to allow the following steps of your skincare routine to penetrate better into the skin. Toners were made to balance the pH level of the skin after you cleanse. So back in the days when cleansers were first introduced, they had a lot of foaming ingredients. You wanted to wash everything off. Some of those foaming ingredients were irritating and causing irritation to the skin, or could cause irritations to the skin. So they created a toner which was made to balance the pH of the skin, remove any of that cleansing agents from the cleanser, any of those foaming agents that could irritate the skin, and balance the pH level. So they were made to balance out the skin. As time has gone on and technology and research has gotten better, cleansers have actually improved. A good quality cleanser, you might not need a toner because the pH of that cleanser is balanced. But if you are still using a very harsh cleanser and your cleansing company makes a toner, then I do recommend that you do. This is one of the exceptions, or one of the times that you want to make sure that you are using a toner, because it's probably going to balance your pH. You have to make sure that both of these products are quality products, because that's where a lot of my clients want to just use regular products, and that's where a lot of the irritation and a lot of the skin problems are coming from. For my acne prone skin, you do have to worry about the moisturizers because of pore clogging ingredients and some serums. But for the rest of my skin types, a lot of the more irritating and problem causing ingredients are coming from your cleanser and your toner. So this is why it is important that you are using a good quality cleanser and toner. One of the skin types that I do recommend a toner to, if your skincare line does not carry a toner, it is probably because that line is very balanced, so you probably don't need a toner. There's other products that are similar to toners that are going to help to balance the skin or refresh the skin, but not all lines require for you to use a toner. So another person that you might want to consider also using a toner, like I said, a quality toner. Make sure that you are getting recommendations from an esthetician or an expert in skin, because you want to make sure that it's not going to throw your skin out of balance. A lot of the toners are meant for more oily skin. So if they say toners, then it might have witch hazel, or it might have a lot of alcohol or irritating ingredients. A low quality product then is probably going to cause irritation and dryness to the skin, which in turn is going to age your skin faster. The second person that might want to consider a toner again, the right toner would be if you wear makeup. So a lot of times with makeup removal, there will be some residue, and some people really want to see the skin being clean, so they will use a toning pad to make sure that everything is absolutely gone. This is kind of like their double check. You could avoid using a toner by just having 2 cleansers, so doing a double cleanse. That's also a really good option. If you don't want a toner, then you could also do a double cleanse. My other clients that might need a toner would be oily skin. So oily skin, depending on the cleanser, they need that extra drying of the oil, so then you might consider like a salicylic cleanser or toner. If your cleanser has salicylic, then you're probably not going to want to use both, or you might want to add it slowly. So my third person that might need a toner will be someone with dry skin. So if you have a lot of dry skin, you might want to look for a more exfoliating toner. Like if you have dry skin, maybe like something with lactic acid in it to help to remove that top layer of the skin and hydrate the skin before we go into, or like an essence that's going to have some natural oils or some hydrating ingredients already in the toner. So these are some of the people that do need a toner. If some people just want to have that step, then that is also a good, you could also use a toner. Just make sure, like I said, and I keep reinstating, is that you want to use a good quality toner. So what would be a good toner for my skin type? Like I said, if you have dry skin, you're going to look for a toner that says hydrating. A hydrating toner is going to have more glycerin, it might have a little bit of hyaluronic acid, or it's going to have oils in the toner to help hydrate the skin. For oily skin, I do recommend like a acid-based toner, maybe with salicylic acid, mandelic, or something that's going to help to break down the oil and prevent any oil production or clogging of the pores. Combination, it would really depend if you're more on the drier or oily side. Depending on that, you would choose one of those, or just like a balancing toner. For pigmented skin, you will probably consider products that have vitamin C, brightening ingredients. You could be adding these ingredients to every step of your routine. For aging, I recommend alpha hydroxy acids, which is going to be the mandelic, the lactic, the glycolic. That's going to stimulate the collagen and exfoliation of the skin. But you want to see how strong this product is. If it is strong, it's probably not meant to be used with every single routine, or maybe not every morning, or not every night, or every other day. So you want to take that into consideration. Acne, it really depends on your acne type and your skincare line. If your skin is very sensitive, you're probably not going to use a toner. This is a very specific condition. I personally don't have my clients use a toner unless it's like a mild acne or they have sensitive skin. Then I have them use the sensitive skincare line and a very gentle toner. And then for sensitive skin, you might want to look for like a soothing green tea extract, chamomile. Those ingredients are going to be soothing and calming to the skin. The toners that I recommend are going to be very soothing and balancing to the skin. I only carry 2. It's from Lyra Clinicals, and this is going to be the Biohydrating Mineral Mist. So it's not even a toner, it's going to be more of a balancer. It already has stem cells and peptides to help communicate with the cells and minerals. So it's going to be soothing the skin. Right away you see that it has soothing ingredients. So this is going to be a more soothing, no irritation at all from this product. So I hope that this video has been helpful in answering your questions. If you have any additional questions about toners, leave them in the description below, and let me know what kind of toner you are using and what your skin type and how your skin is reacting to these. In the description below, you could also find my free guide for skincare routine, and make sure that you check out my website at www.consultation.com. bearglowbeauty.com, which you could also schedule a consultation if you're still struggling selecting your skincare routine. Next time, make sure that you're taking care of your skin today so that your future self could thank you. Welcome to Bare Glow Skin and Body. My name is Karina. I'm the solo esthetician and massage therapist here at Bare Glow. My goal is to help you feel confident in your own skin with or without makeup. I believe that with the proper skincare, routine, service, and guidance, you could achieve your skincare goals. From clearing your acne, hyperpigmentations, or scars, or just aging gracefully, I'm here to guide you every step of the way.